God damn it, no one ever looks at my blog. I've got all these amazing pictures and no one to even look at them. Wait, I know just the thing. I'll make a jingle. Hey, it might even be a hit single. Hey everybody, check out my new blog, amazingbirds.tumblr.com. New bird gif up every day. It's de-animated so it's seizure safe. Found a clip art that's from '98, that's why I have so many birds to share. I can't wait, got toucans, owls, tits, and canary. It's like a big virtual bird sanctuary, so take a click, don't just take my word. Come on down to Amazing Birds.
Well.